my dear art fellows, my name is Inga and during our today's class I'm gonna show you how to paint cute animals in Procreate. I prepared for you lots of useful tips and tricks how to use Procreate, and I prepared for you new brushes, new techniques that will help you to enjoy our time together. And your opinion is also very important to me because it helps me to become better, it helps me to choose the topics that I like, that you like as well. And let's get started. Once again, during our class, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey. My whole creative process will start with exporting all our freebies into the Procreate. Then I'll show you how to create sketch, how to create animals, cute animals in a simple way, and then we're gonna start painting. I will show you step-by-step process creating cute animals in 3 different styles: gouache, watercolor and pastel, and the process of adding colors, shades and highlights. Also we will explore what is clipping mask, how to use layers and blending modes, also how to use curves and hue saturation and brightness tools. And in the end, we will create lovely illustration with cute animals in totally different styles. So you can experiment and choose the style that you like most. I'm gonna focus on painting 3 lovely animals in 3 different styles in a center as a final project. And your project will be same. To create the illustration with lovely animal, you might add some surroundings, whatever will cause warm emotions and will bring joy to your art process. And as a bonus, I will share with you my textured paper, new custom brush set, new stem brushes, color palettes that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes and experienced artists, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create animal illustrations in 3 different styles. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn how to paint in different styles on iPad and get general knowledge how to paint lovely animals, how to choose colors properly, and how to use some Procreate tools in order to create lovely illustrations. I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to projects section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.